Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we see about some important definitions that related to nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the science of foods. It is important to study about food? Yes. It is important that people have the knowledge to make the right food choices when eating at home and away from home. It interprets the nutrients and other substances in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, health, and disease of an organism. Nutrition science is the area of knowledge regarding the role of food in maintenance of health. To remember that good nutrition is the foundation of good health. The nutrients. Nutrients are the chemical components or constituents in food. It must be supplied to the body in suitable amounts. These include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and water. In these nutrients, carbohydrate, fats, and proteins are called as macronutrients. These nutrients provide energy to our body. Then minerals, vitamins, and water are called as micronutrients and they do not provide energy to the body. But it is involved in many other supportive functions in our body. These substances are used in the body to provide energy, structural materials, and regulating agents to support growth, maintenance, and repair of body's tissues. Nutrients may also reduce the risk of some regenerative diseases. Then health. When we say I am healthy, yes, when we feel physically, mentally, and socially fit, we say I am health. Yes. As per WHO, World Health Organization, as the state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. The nutritional status. Nutritional status of a person may be either good or poor. So, nutritional status is the condition of health of the individual as influenced by the utilization of the nutrients. It can be determined only by the correlation of information obtained through a careful medical and dietary history, taking physical measurements of the body, clinical examination, and appropriate laboratory investigation. Good nutritional status is also reflected by stamina and resistance to diseases. Then optimal nutrition is the condition when all the required nutrients are met. There is normal physical and mental development and the quality of life is high. Malnutrition. Malnutrition is imperfect or a faulty nutrition. It is a pathological state resulting from a relative or absolute deficiency or excess one or more essential nutrients. It comprises 4 forms: undernutrition, overnutrition, imbalance, specific deficiency. Undernutrition is the condition which results when insufficient food is eaten over an extended period of time. There is decreased physical and mental development and there is low immunity. The example is protein energy malnutrition. Overnutrition is the pathological state resulting from the consumption of excess quantity of food over an extended period of time. This can result in obesity and metabolic syndrome. The nutritional imbalance is the pathological state resulting from a disproportion among essential nutrients with or without the absolute deficiency of a nutrient. For example, calcium and phosphorus imbalances lead to bone deformities. Then specific deficiency is the pathological state resulting from a relative or absolute lack of an individual nutrient. For example, iron deficiency, anemia. Bionutrition is a new science that caters to holistic health. It provides the diverse essential needs such as growth needs of the body, maintenance requirements, total well-being or physical fitness, and improve immune system. Nutritional genomics is a recent era that encompasses two disciplines, nutrigenetics and nutrigenomics. Nutrigenomics focuses on how bioactive dietary components affect genes, proteins, and metabolites. Nutrigenetics investigates the mechanisms by which genetic variable affects the interaction between the bioactive dietary components and health and disease potential of individual persons. Nutrigenetic and nutrigenomic information will be used to create dietary interventions tailored to an individual's genotype in order to prevent, treat, and even cure disease. Do you know when National Nutrition Week is celebrated? Yes, every year National Nutrition Week is celebrated on September 1st week. Do you like to watch my upcoming videos? Subscribe my channel. Thank you.